Hey guys, so I'm back with one of my infamous tutorials, and today I'm going to show you guys how we do large knotless braids in my shop on natural hair that is fully blown out. So keep watching, y'all. So the products that we're using, I could put the link below so you guys can go shop. And the combs that we're using, that rat tail comb, you can get that anywhere. That's pretty much what you use to comb your products in, so your products are combed in perfectly. And the wooden comb is a precision comb that we use in my shop so that our parts are very, very straight and things of that nature. So as you can see, this is the braid down process. We use racks. We have racks on hand. They can be delivered if you're in the Houston area only. Anybody else, you're just going to have to come pick it up however you can. We cannot deliver them. They are too darn big. So, yes, I'm just trying to get you guys to see when we add our hair to the braid. We add hair to the braid because we want the braid to be full all the way through. We don't want skimpy braids. You don't want the ends of your braids to be skimpy. So you have to add, as you're braiding down, you have to add in hair. So this is how we're going to part. If you watch closely, just everything is, it's just like geometry. Just make sure you know your shapes and everything is just very proportional. So just kind of, people have different ways that they do their knotless as far as they're adding in hair. So this is how she does her knot. I don't do my knotless like this, but this is how she does her knotless braid, so it's comfortable for her. So just find your comfort. As long as your braid is really flat at the roots, I think that's all that matters. Nothing else really matters. You just want a nice seamless knotless braid. That's it. However, you do that, that's on you. It's not a big deal. So yes, she's braiding down. Make sure you tuck your client's hair in the braid. Okay, so this is just a point where we're kind of pre-parting. Sometimes if you feel like you don't want to just braid and go, just kind of pre-part to get, your parts in line. I know that's what I do. Some of my girls do that just so you can see everything visually before you start braiding. Because the last thing you want to do is start braiding and nothing is structured or pre-parted. And next thing you know, you got crooked lines, crooked parts, and everything's just out of whack. So if you want to pre-part, do that. And pre-parting to me, the anxiety of trying to just braid is a lot. But once you pre-part, it's like, okay, I got that out the way. So now I could just braid. See how she's getting everything out the way? So now by the time she wants to start braiding, all that work has been completed. So pre-parting is so the way. Even when you're doing stitch braids, just like pre-parting is cool. When you're doing C parts, pre-parting isn't that necessary because C parts are easier. When you're doing square parts or triangle parts, baby, pre-parting just changes the game because you don't have to do a lot of thinking all the time. Hey guys, so I'm back. So this is the finished product. Make sure you order my oil sheen on my website and my mousse on my website, and just go to my website and order everything. Toodles. Large knotless on our beautiful client. Triangle part, as you can see, super neat and long. Just love it. Look at these parts, super neat. If you get our parting combs on our website, you can part like this, sweetie. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. It's so neat. Just check it out, girl. Love it. Yeah.